Today we're going to talk about a topic that's both fascinating and controversial: crocodile farming. Did you know that there are approximately 23 species of crocodiles in the world, and that they can be found on every continent except Europe and Antarctica? Despite their fearsome reputation, crocodiles can be valuable resources for the communities that live near them. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of crocodile farming and how it can benefit both people and animals. First, let's talk about the reasons why crocodiles are farmed. Crocodile farming has a long history, with evidence of crocodile farming dating back to ancient Egypt. Today, the most common reasons for farming crocodiles are for their meat, skin, and as pets. Crocodile meat is considered a delicacy in many parts of the world and is a valuable source of protein. Crocodile skin is used to create high-end leather goods, such as handbags, belts, and shoes. Finally, crocodiles are sometimes kept as pets or for display purposes, either in zoos or as attractions for tourists. Now that we understand why crocodiles are farmed, let's take a closer look at how the process works. Some crocodile farmers find crocodile eggs on river banks and bring them to their farms. Another method is crocodile farming starts with breeding. Female crocodiles lay their eggs in nests, which they then cover with vegetation to keep them safe. Once the eggs hatch, the baby crocodiles are moved to specially designed enclosures where they can be monitored and protected. These enclosures mimic the crocodile's natural habitat, with areas for swimming, basking in the sun, and hiding in vegetation. As the crocodiles grow, they are fed a carefully planned diet of meat, fish, and other foods rich in protein. It's important to provide the right nutrition to ensure that the crocodiles grow strong and healthy. In addition to feeding, the crocodiles are also checked regularly for signs of illness or injury. If any health issues are found, they are treated immediately to ensure the well-being of the animals. When the crocodiles are mature enough, they are harvested for their meat and skin. This is done in a humane and respectful way, ensuring that the animals are not subjected to unnecessary stress or suffering. The meat is then processed and sold, while the skin is treated to make it suitable for use in high-end leather products. Crocodile farming can provide significant benefits to both people and the environment. For local communities, crocodile farming can provide a sustainable source of income and employment. In addition, the presence of crocodile farms can help to protect wild crocodile populations by reducing the demand for illegally sourced products. Crocodile farming can also contribute to conservation efforts by providing a source of funding for habitat protection and restoration. However, it's important to acknowledge that there are also concerns about crocodile farming. Some people worry that the conditions in which the animals are kept are inhumane or that the farms contribute to the decline of wild crocodile populations. These are legitimate concerns, and it's important to ensure that crocodile farming is done in a responsible and sustainable way. So, that's it for today's video on crocodile farming. I hope you found this information informative and thought-provoking. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.